and we're gonna see if we can manage to put all the cards working with this adapter. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. I'm mining with using 4 cards right now. I wanted to add a 5th card, but I had some issues with my motherboard. It wasn't running stable with the 5 cards, and one of it is LHR, so I was having some issues with it. So right now I have these 3 cards, 6600 XTs and a 3080. They're on the back. That's the 3080, and I want to add a 5th card, a 3060 LHR version 2, but I'm having some issues with my motherboard, and I decided to get one of these. This is a 4 times PCIe Express with 6 output USB. So I'm going to try this one. I know there were other models, cheaper models than this one. This one cost me around, in euros, around 40 euros, and we're going to see if we can manage to put all the cards working with this adapter. Okay, one more thing before I install this card. As you can see here, I think you'll be able to see, PCIe X4 to 6 ports, PCIe X1. Must not connect USB devices, it says here. But one curious thing, the way the ports are distributed. Here on the PCB, you probably won't be able to see it, but you're just gonna have to take my word for it. It says port 1, port 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or the other way around. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just wanted to share this information because it's distributed in a curious way, not the way we would expect it, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Card is installed. All my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards are connected solely to this adapter, and we're going to see how it works. I've got my 3060 LHR here now, my 6600 XTs and the 3080 here on the back, and let's see how it goes. Okay, but first I have to do something. I'm going to use my integrated graphics card and as the main image device. So I just change here IGD, integrated graphic device. Just gonna do some saving and reboot. Okay, we should be booting.
A few moments later.
Control Alt Delete doesn't do anything. Just I'm gonna shut it down again. Second try. My 3080 as the main, the card in the second slot of the 16X slot, and okay, we're not detecting the hard drive now. I think I forgot one thing, which is I'm gonna put, this is in auto, okay, which is above 5G memory cryptocurrency mining. Let's enable this. Save changes, yes. See if we can get a boot. Okay, looking better. It looks fast. Sometimes when I insert my cards, it would look very oh, they're here. Yes, they're here. Yeah, it's working. My 3080 is okay. That's the onboard. The only one I'm missing, it's this one, it's the 3060, and should be installing in a few moments. Yeah, here we are. 3060, 3080, 6600 XTs. Give you a look. Sorry, I'm doing kind of a circus tasks over here doing all this. So I have my 3080 here on the main slot, and on the second 16X slot I have the card. I actually left my small, I left it on the slots so I know which ones I can use. So 9 cards maximum I can have, in theory, I can have in this motherboard. So I'm going to be testing out this this PCIe slot adapter. So there you have it. It is working. What I have to do now is go to my mining software and check my let's see, my device IDs, because probably everything is changed. My device ID is no longer the same. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this way so we can see a bit better. So go to miner .z list devices. Let's see what I have. My 3080 is still the GPU 0, my Sapphire, power color, and the other Sapphire are 1, 2, 3, and number 4 is the SSU-TECH, the 3060. If I want to change this order, all I have to do is change the USB cables, the way they're connected, and put this in the order I want. But right now, this is the way I had it. I just had it the 4th, and so I don't have to be playing around with my scripts too much. I'm just gonna add GPU 4 to the script of gminer. I'm gonna have to add something because of the LHR, because right now the card I'm using doesn't have LHR, and this 3060 is LHR, so I'm gonna have to be looking for some tuning here of the LHR, as I already showed on some of my videos. But that's it. Just for reference, if you ever want one of these cards, there's a number over here, SSU-TECH I don't even know what that means, but just for reference, if you want to know what type of card. Oh, I have another one here. Maybe this is more interesting. That's 4B109 G1-01. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. I'll give you some feedback after testing this, see if it's stable or if it's able to maintain working for a decent period of time. See you next time.